Crypto bros, if you are smart investor or trader, you understand that NFTs will stay with us for a long time. It is not just a quick hype, but there is a true utility. People don't understand this, but there is a true utility in NFTs. And look, NFT trading volumes hit $2 billion in February this year. Highest since Luna crash, thanks to Blair. And now I'm gonna show you how to use Binance NFTs and sell NFTs here on the platform. Why Binance NFTs? They offer the lowest fees from all centralized NFT marketplaces. And Binance NFT is the biggest centralized NFT marketplace. You can easily withdraw any NFT, deposit any NFT in here. Actually, they have to be whitelisted by Binance, and you can also withdraw easily cash into your Binance account. Everyone in crypto has Binance account, okay? Before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research. Now, what you want to do is basically click here, Binance NFT. You are on the main side. You can see top collections, 24-hour volume, 24-hour change, floor price, the owners, items, and basically you can see top projects here. You can see your watch list as well. And look, NFTs are not over. We've already discussed that. Look, this project has a change like 350%. Okay, you can still trade, flip NFTs, get into all these mints. It's a huge ecosystem. It's a completely different world even than coins. So there is 1% fee for all NFT sellers and creators. Look, flat 1% platform service fee on the sale price will incur. There are no fees for listings NFTs on Binance NFT place. Okay, so basically you can list any NFT for free. Royalty fee is actually from 0 to 10%, and this is up to the creator. You can basically, as a creator, you can set the percentage. Depositing will incur as a gas fee. I'm gonna show you how to deposit in a bit. This is not paid to Binance. It goes to the miners and validators. This is basically a chain fee. There's also a withdrawal fee. First, you need to withdraw to your wallet from the Binance NFT marketplace, and there is a network fee as well. So now if you are willing to list any NFT, it has to be whitelisted. So you basically click in here, deposit, and then you need to connect your wallet, your decentralized wallet, into your Binance account. You're gonna see something like this. You can choose from BNB chain, Ethereum, or Polygon. You connect your wallet, and then you will be able to withdraw. So once you've deposited the NFT into your Binance NFT account, you're gonna see it here in the collected section. Okay, so here I have this psychedelic anonymous Genesis. You can see it's from the collection. We're gonna see the collection as well, and now we can see the whole collection. Okay, there's 291 items. You can see the whole collection, and based on that, you're gonna know and understand what's the current floor price, and based on that, you can list your NFT. So right now, the floor price for Psychedelics Anonymous Genesis is 418 USD. We can see the price also in Ethereum, and recently the floor price has been, the last 7 days has been actually growing. The all time is actually low, and the average price and volume, like you can see, it's very, very, very low comparing to what was before. The average price for this collection was at $6,000 with like 70 sales, and the volume was 300,000 USD. Now volume is like 12,000 USD. Okay, and their average prices ranges between 400 and 500 USD. And I actually like the dashboard because on other, for example, on OpenSea, you don't have such charts. To me, the dashboard basically is better in here comparing to OpenSea, and you can see even for this collection, depth has been growing. Okay, so there is more and more listed NFTs. The latest NFT from this collection has been listed 6 minutes ago, the other 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes. So there's actually loads of listing. Okay, these were transfers, deposits, but there's loads of happening. And now what you have to do if you want to list an NFT, you basically go to your collected NFTs, you click here on the one that you want to list, and then you're gonna see a fixed price or auction. So you have two different options to list your NFT. So first we're gonna use a fixed price. I'm gonna show you, because the floor price for that one, like we have already seen before, is 420 USD. So let's say I don't want to sell it that quickly, and we're gonna put 1000 USD. Okay, now in here you can see the duration. You can change the duration. can be 12 hours, 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 30 days. It can be actually anything else that you want to list. So for example, we're going to list it for 12 hours and this is going to be a fixed price, okay? But also you can do an auction and you can choose a starting price in here. Let's say I want to put 600 USD, a starting price, buyout price, we can put, let's say, $1,000, and minimum markup, you can choose from 5% to 20%. Also, you can see the duration here. The royalty fee is in this situation 0% and platform fee 0% as well. But now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna list it actually for 12 hours. Boom, we're gonna confirm. You can see list detail, and I'm gonna confirm once again in here. And look, listing completed. It's that easy. Now, if your NFT is already in the centralized marketplace, you don't need to confirm it on the blockchain. Okay, so like you can see, you don't need to pay for the listing. Okay, it's completely free, and that's it. If you want to list it, you basically click the list, and then it tells you that other users won't be able to see this NFT on the market page anymore, and your NFT will be sent back to your asset collections. But I'm actually gonna use it like it's only 12 hours. I listed this only to show you that. Okay, so once again, why would you use Binance NFT? Basically, it's very easy to deposit NFTs from your private wallet into the marketplace. You have a quick fiat cash out, so if you sell your NFT in here, you can easily send it to your Binance wallet. You can easily access these NFTs on your Binance app, on mobile app. Okay, you have another option which is Launchpad for NFTs. Look, over billion volume, 20 IGO projects, total amount stake is like $15 million, and Binance Gaming NFTs, you can participate in all these IGOs. This is an amazing opportunity because you are sure that Binance is listing legit projects. Okay, it's the same with Binance Launchpad, not NFT Launchpad, but Binance Launchpad. Their returns are crazy because everyone knows that Binance has to really check these projects before they list them, and these projects pump like crazy. Okay, so it makes sense also for the NFT IGOs. I'm gonna leave you all the links in the description. This is it for this video. Check this out because we are now very likely on the NFT bottom, okay? And these bottoms create an amazing situation when you can learn and get access and actually understand how to use these NFT tools like Binance NFTs or Launchpads or others to benefit. Okay, so that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. All the links in the description to Binance NFTs, and take care.